AHIT, also known as Assignment Help and Info Tech, is an IT solutions to all the project holders that need one. Website or application designing, development and maintenance. 2. Shared cloud hosting for the websites and applications. 3. Business processing and outsourcing services for technical, sales, services or backend line of business and lot more. Our efficient and experienced team will assist you with all your requirements and available for 24/7. Our successfully delivered projects that are ruling the markets are Houseofekaara, Soapandbasil, Bloodlinks, Ahecounselling, Diwamjewels, Webdigitalbusiness, Filtrosuk. A lot more projects are undergoing and will be launched in upcoming months. AHIT helps its ventures and partners in video campaigning, photo and ad shoots along with all other IT-related products and services. Likewise, you can book your projects with us and give us the opportunity to assist you with the best services that you and your firm deserves. Economical price with high-quality services is what we assure. Chat or call to our client representatives on www.ahecounselling.com or call on +1 917-809-1207 and +919-214-859-550.